aspirants. So we are doing with daily current affairs analysis in very short and precise manner, which is highly focused on prelims oriented point of view. So to start with, the first news is there was a drop in the inflow of gold ETF. All you need to know about ETF, Exchange Trade Fund. So this comes under GS3 Capital Market. So by the name itself, you should understand that exchange traded fund that it comes in the form of gold. This is an investment fund. The aim is to track the price of physical gold, which means each unit, it is actually set up into the unit of gold ETF represent 1 gram of gold. So 1 gram of gold equal to 1 unit of gold ETF. So we can invest in physical gold. The investor will get the units in dematerialized form, might be in a bond type. So the units are listed in stock exchanges. So the investors can buy or sell unit. Okay. So gold ETF is buying gold in an electronic form. We cannot view as such gold. It is an electronic form of gold. Okay. So while investing, the investor also will not get the physical gold but the cash equivalent after a due period of time. Okay. So gold ETF back their assets by buying actual physical gold of 99.5% purity. So what is ETF? ETF is an index fund. It has a basket of stocks that reflects the composition of an index like Nifty, Census. They are listed and they are also traded. Okay. Actually, this ETF is similar to the mutual fund, but it has more liquidity, which means easily it can spend. Okay. So the next issue is the dragon tightens its grip, which means China. So this comes under GS2, India's neighborhood relation. So when it comes to China, with respect to India, it was one of the biggest partner. Like China is India's second biggest trading partner after US only. So the China bilateral trade is 11.2% of India's total merchandise trade. Okay, China is a trading partner and it stood at 10th position about actually for 2 decades. Okay. And major import we are importing from China is electrical, television, nuclear reactors, fertilizers, etc. Next issue is, so China has protecting the gig workers by providing a basic rights. So this comes under GS3 industrial policy. So gig economy is nothing but it is an informal economy. I mean flexible, short-term or freelancer worker. It may involving contracting the client or customers, which is done in online platform. It is divided into platform workers and non-platform workers. Means platform workers means they rely on digital platforms or only online app like Zomato, Ola, Uber. Non-platform means they are casual wage earners. Okay, so Niti Aayog actually released the report title called India's Booming Gig and Platform Economy. So according to the Niti Aayog report, gig economy employed more than 7.5 million people. So the number of workers also keep on increasing in the due period of time. Also according to this report, medium skilled occupations is contributing 47% of the gig worker. And high skilled is only 22%. Women are also involving into this gig employment. So for prelims, you need to know blue collar work is who performs manual labor, white collar is a salaried, gold collar is a highly skilled knowledge persons like doctors, lawyers, researchers. Grey collar is a does not comes under white and blue collar. Pink collar is a job traditionally considered to the women worker. Red collar is government worker. Open collar is who work from home. Green collar is who work for the environmental sector. These are the basic idea. Next issue is BSF conduct operations alert exercise for the security of India-Pakistan border, particularly in Gujarat and Rajasthan, because of coming Republic Day. So it comes under GS3. So this is BSF. BSF has started a 7-day ops alert. Ops alert is done by BSF. This you need to remember for prelims. So CAPF force consists of BSF, CASF, SSB, CRPF and ITBP. So BSF is responsible for internal security along with Pakistan, Bangladesh, also Myanmar. CISF is responsible for providing security for civilian like airports, metros. SSB is responsible for Nepal and Bhutan border security. CRPF is responsible for dealing with internal disturbances. And ITBP is guarding the Himalayan region and Chinese border. That's all about today's news. Thank you so much.